Humans glow in the dark. Bananas are radioactive. And jellyfish? Some never die. These aren't sci-fi plots. They're real science. Let's blow your mind. Some science facts sound so weird, you'd swear someone made them up. But guess what? They're real. From radioactive bananas to jellyfish that cheat death. Sounds fake, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 science facts that sound totally made up, but are actually true. Get ready, because number 8 and number 10 will have you questioning reality. Let's kick it off with something that's probably in your kitchen right now. Bananas. You ever hear someone say bananas are radioactive? Yeah, that's not a joke. They actually contain potassium-40, which is a naturally radioactive isotope. Now don't panic. You'd have to eat like a truckload a day for years for it to matter. But technically, every time you eat a banana, you're getting a teeny tiny dose of radiation. So yes, you've been living on the edge this whole time. Alright, here's one that sounds like it's breaking all the rules. Number 2, water can boil and freeze at the same time. This isn't sci-fi, it's real physics, and it's called the triple point. It happens when the pressure and temperature are just right, and all 3 states, solid, liquid, and gas, exist together. Basically, water has no idea what it wants to be. It's like the most indecisive substance ever. Number 3, octopuses have 3 hearts. If octopuses weren't cool enough already, get this. They have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, and the 3rd one pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's the twist. When they swim, the main heart actually stops beating. So swimming is literally exhausting for them. Okay, this one's weirdly beautiful. Number 4. You glow in the dark, but you can't see it. Humans glow in the dark. Yep, our bodies emit tiny amounts of bioluminescent light. The catch? It's about 1,000 times too faint for our eyes to notice. So technically, you're glowing right now, just not enough to light up a room. Kinda like your phone at 1% battery. Number 5. Space smells like burnt steak. Ever wonder what space smells like? Well, astronauts say it has a scent, kind of like burnt steak or welding fumes. Yeah, space is basically a cosmic barbecue. The smell comes from high-energy particles clinging to their suits after spacewalks. So when they get back inside, boom, grilled meat aroma. Space. Beautiful, deadly, and oddly delicious. All right, science flex time. Number 6. There's a planet made of diamonds. Did you know there's a planet out there that might be made almost entirely of diamond? It's called 55 Cancri A. Catchy, I know. And scientists believe the pressure and carbon levels are just right for the planet's core to be full of diamond. Imagine pulling out a telescope and being like, hey look, there's a giant rock worth quadrillions just chilling in space. Number 7, Wombats poop cubes. I wish I was making this up. Wombats, these adorable furry little marsupials from Australia. Poop cubes. Like actual cubes. They do this so their poop doesn't roll away. Why? Because they use it to mark their territory. Nature's weird, man. It's like evolution said, let's make Lego, but gross. Number 8. Sharks are older than trees. Trees are ancient, right? Yeah, but sharks have them beat. Sharks have been swimming around for over 400 million years. That's about 50 million years before the first trees showed up. So while trees were still figuring out how to grow leaves, sharks were out there being apex predators. Basically, sharks are the original OGs of Earth. Number 8. The Eiffel Tower grows in summer. Here's one you might not notice on your next Paris trip. The Eiffel Tower actually grows taller in the summer by about 6 inches. Why? Because metal expands when it heats up. So, when the temperature rises, the iron structure stretches just a bit. Paris, the city of love and thermal expansion. And finally, the weirdest one of all. Number 10. The immortal jellyfish. There's a jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii that can, wait for it, reverse its aging. When it gets old or injured, it reverts back to its baby stage and starts over. over and over again. Technically, that makes it biologically immortal, unless, something eats it. So yeah, eternal youth, with a catch. So there you have it, 10 facts that sound fake, but science says otherwise. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you're into weird science, wild trivia, and jaw-dropping facts, hit the like and subscribe button. There's way more where that came from. Until next time, stay curious.